You are now watching Zimbabwe Entertainment, fresh from the source.
This is Calaz in the building.
Look at the truth like this the thing. Rastafari never cheat, island never sin.
Ndawakushanda seguma kupanda mari zvisina kana magumo nekuti womwe dzakakumbuka gore rino chakanyunduka ndawakushanda seguma kupanda mari zvisina kana magumo nekuti womwe dzakakumbuka ndichangamuka mangwanani ndopfuka mana mata kuna mwa.
This one is a pull up again. Chakanyunduka. You know, some of the words it's deep. When I say deep shona, it's actually deep shona because some of the people, when they talk about Chakanyunduka over here in the diaspora, they will start to say, what's Chakanyunduka? You know, some say maybe it's a slang in Zimbabwe or something. It's not a slang, but as a Chakanyunduka is actually a deep shona in our mother language, coming from Calaz. Chris is right here in the building.
Ndichangamuka mangwanani ndopfuka mana mata kuna mwari nekuti pana mwari ndipo pane mari saka chidzinga satani saka inini ndina mwari gore rinda.
This one I want to play this one again. You know that tune is one of the tune I can say this is some of the tunes that put Calaz on the map, Chakanyunduka, because you know, when you hear the lingo start rocking around the streets, you know that something's going on. Chakanyunduka.
I tell you, well you know Sambara.
I just want to big go to Simple. Paul Simple is in the building. So this is Paul Simple Dread.
Kupanda mari zvisina kana magumo nekuti womwe dzakakumbuka ndichangamuka mangwanani ndopfuka mana mata kuna mwa.
This one is Kaboom. I don't know how many times they want me to play the tune, but anyway, people, we don't have much time to pull up the tracks. But what we need to do is after the next track, straight away we're gonna talk to Calaz. Anderson is so tired. He just reached this morning straight from Zimbabwe. He's working so hard. He was in South Africa, Zimbabwe, 2 days time. Boom, touched the flight, coming to the UK. I just want to say big go to Paul Simple and also Thai International and also all the people out there who are supporting Zim Danzo to the fullest. The next track I'm going to play from Calaz, I'm talking about the old tunes from Calaz that people love so much. This one is called
I tell you. Check. That's my funniest man.
Kandona chanda usafunge mafani ndishandira kuti murigirarame memvana ntoni momzi vari kusajani vanoda vatuma ningirigini kandona chimba usafunge mafani ndiro tarendara ndikaviwa namwari ndigorishandisa ndigochengeta muri saka mwari ndinotenda tanda rangu kawani zvandiri dhila usafunge mafani kumhanyisa mazhets ndopane yangu mari saka ndinoshanda nesimba kubva mangwanani zuva parinonyura ndingidava parinani muri yangu ndaishandira andingonyara basa rangu ndaishandira
muri yangu ndaishandira
zuva nezuva basa rangu ndobudikira
muri yangu ndaishandira
andingonyara basa rangu ndaishandira ndinoishandira.
No, I just wanna stop this for a while. I just wanna say it my brother right now in the building.
Ndopane yangu plani zvekumhanyiswa nevekanzuru ndezvekwavo mani ndongoramba ndichidzoka ndopane yangu mari kuloda mota usafunge mafani uwana sara.
Yo, Calaz, welcome to the show.
Yes, Father, well done.
You know, just live and kicking. I can see you kind of like tired, but you're full of energy. How is the feeling? Pakaipa. Once again, people, this one says Zora tune. I say to you guys, I can't really play the tune for the second time round again because you guys are supposed to touch the motorway to go to Leeds. As you know, the first show is right there in Leeds, and the next show is there tomorrow, right there at Dunstable. So, Calaz, last time there was May, I understand when you come over here, so you locked down the place. What can people expect from Calaz this time around?
Yeah, now they should expect more.
Pakaipa.
Because they're charge.
We have seen the video clips and people talking on the streets that Calaz, you mash off South Africa. over there, so you go back to Zimbabwe. You locked out Zimbabwe as well. Tell us, you're just moving up the ladder like so. What's the remedy? Tell us, what's the remedy behind?
Timirwa Josa ni Pretoria kuziya mangoma. I hope timirwa kunoge kuziya mangoma semaziro akuti uone dzimwe nyika nemwana Zimbabwe. In chokwadi ari kuziya because dai vanga vasingaziye mangoma dai tisiri panapa dai takarara kumbare.
So right now vanhu vari kusapota mangoma yenyu munoti kwavari at this present moment.
Ava vachoda kuvatinda nekutisimudzira nekwatisvitsa nhasi. Ngavaramba vachisimbisa vamwe vachipikisa zvese zvinoita ndokuti zvifambe.
Right now you're one of the artists right now in Zimbabwe. I can say the young artists are looking up to, and your music right now, most of the people, they are loving your music, the lyrical content of this. Tell us, do you meditate your music, or Paul Simple write some of the songs, or Father Andy write some of the songs? Tell us, where do you get the lyrics? Because you're an artist. When you produce a tune, it's just like a vintage.
Yeah, my lyrics mazhinji, I will say it's meditation. Zvimwe zvacho zvinhu zvinongoitika mugeto. Like unoona panongoitika chinhu, the next day tichane song. Ndo zvinoita mangoma. Life yatinorarama, zvatinoimba. Zvinoboha vamwe, zvinakidza vamwe. We are entertainers. Saka entertainment hakusi kuimba good music chete. Nango zvakaipa kuna vamwe vanonakirwa nazo. Violent music kuna vamwe vanoida. Kuna vamwe vanoda gospel, saka toimba zvese. I mean entertainer ibasa. Saka handikwanisi kuimba chinhu chinodiwa nemunhu wani kana nevanhu vashoma. I sing for all.
And we can see now that your fan base is going up the ladder, and the people, like you just said about Pretoria Massive, they understand the music. And over this side again, your fan base is growing bigger and better. Tell us more about this.
Ipapo ndoda kusimbisa iwo King Alfred, Paul Simple, Thai International. Nimwe team yese nondisimbisa yakapusha mangoma angu this side. Ndimakaita ndizikanwe kunoku. Ramba mchingopusha mangoma.
And right now you can see so many people out there. They just want to hear some tunes from say Calaz, and one of the favorite tunes that people love so much at this present moment is this one coming from say Calaz. I wanna say pull up again. It's a tune, Calaz. Let's stop pulling the tune. Let me just talk to you about the tune. I remember the first time when I hear the tune, I spoke to you. When I spoke to you, I say, Calaz, please can you make sure the rhythm is sent over and just sing that tune to the people. But the tune right now, I understand people are voting that tune to be one of the best tune of the year. How long did it take you to write this tune here?
Tune rakantura at least 2 weeks. Because ndakanatsogara pasi nchidzamisa pfungwa dzangu. Because ngasiri mafanisi ndaida kubuditsawo something chiri machuwa chinokwanisa kuteerwa nemunhu wese. Sezvo unoziva ndowanzoimba zvehondo chichichi. Saka I'm a versatile artist. I can sing any topic. Saka tune ndakanatsogarira pasi and ndo life yandakararama yandika-experience achi. Saka hazvina kunitorera time yakanyanya kuti ndiri nyore, but 2 weeks ndanatsogara pasi ndaripedza.
Pakaipa, big up, say Calaz, revise your manners, and the other thing there can be jealous. The people know all the lingo, all the chants, and they know everything, what's going on, and they are loving it. And what's your take with your fans? Because I'm basically basing on your fan base. It's getting bigger, and the music you're producing nearly every hour.
Yeah. I want to big up all my fans from Zimbabwe, South Africa, UK, anywhere you there. Ndimakantsvitsa pandiri panapa. Rambai mchisimbisa mangoma angu. Nicharamba nchikupa ngoma dzinotapira.
Crazy. Let me just play this again from the top. Secrets in the building. Big it up. of people want me to play this one again. Let me just play it. German crew, I can't pick up that call. Silas, Lucius, big up yourself. He's right in the building. Say Calaz in the building. And also Pro Simba in the building. The first show is in Leeds. Some people, they want to hear the lyric or talent out of from this show. So we're gonna hear this. What we're going to do right now, we're just gonna give him the rhythm and just give us the tune himself directly, because guess what? Some people hear the tune.
Bury me say, I know, Mr. No one of them. Check. Amagwatino pagwaga siyana utakarerwa nevanhu vakatosiyana ibona gogo inina mama asigara kuchitenda sambari dzatsamwa ukwatino pagwaga siyana utakarerwa nevanhu vakatosiyana ibona gogo inina mama asigara kuchitenda sambari ndakandina kuziva kwandakakurira namoenda katamba nezvizira.
Me love so much on that tune because when I hear the tune, you see the tune, you have to feel the tune from their feet up to the head. When I hear the tune, it reminds me of so many less privileged people out there who were brought by their uncles, grandmother without family. When I hear that tune, I say to myself, hold on a second. This artist is coming on a different level now. Why did you choose to come up with that topic whereby you're looking forward to support or give encouragement to less privileged people?
I can say do life and gararama chaman ndamukutaurirai saka ndodoti vanhu indi ndoziva kuti vanhu vakawanda vari kurarama life seiyoyo saka I had to
sing that tune.
Yeah.
And most of people, when they hear, I remember when I was in the dance, I hear some youth, I was behind the speakers, when they heard the tune, one of the youths started crying. And I said, yo, why are you crying? I said, yo, that tune is so touching. And when I saw him, I thought maybe he's joking or he was drunk or something. But to be honest now, it's so catchy and also it's so touching to some extent. And to you, as compared to some of your tunes you sing, where do you place that tune in your category?
Yeah, that's my best tune so far.
Best tune so far.
Yeah.
Remember, once again, people, just hear from Say Calaz. He say this is one of my best tunes so far. I love this tune so much because guess what? It's so encouraging to those youths out there. Trust me. They love the tune and also it got a message. What I'm going to do, let me just play this one again and you can just hear Say Calaz again. We've got a few minutes to go because we're gonna touch the motorway going to Leeds. Let's go, Say Calaz.
Check. Check. Amagwatino pagwaga siyana utakarerwa nevanhu vakatosiyana ivana gogo inina mama asigara kuchitenda samari dzatsamwa ukwatino pagwaga siyana utakarerwa nevanhu vakatosiyana ivana gogo inina mama asigara kuchitenda samari ndakandina kuziva kwandakakurira unamoenda katamba nozvizivira kurerwa namai vega zvaivakurira asi pakudzidzaka nguva ishingirira pandaitsingova inondikumbirira mwedzi wapera yati masatina padera chavaida kuona tawanda achifara pane vamwe vana vaida ndisanyara taimborereredze mama dzimwe nguva zvaiva tsvanya vashanguro dzenye ndezvaivarwadza kuona ndichirara ndisina chandadya.
Yo, Calaz. Let's go to the next one. You know Chema, Say Calaz. You know what? This is Say Calaz in the building. Hear this now.
Bury me say, yeah. Oh my. Check. Dino Chema,
Yo, Calaz, let me just stop the rhythm. Tell us this tune and Dino Chema is a brand spanking or because we need to know what's going on because you see Simple Dread or Paul Simple, he doesn't want to send the music. He loves the music. You see, Thai International, they don't want to give me, they lock the music. Tell us about the tune, Dino Chema.
Yeah, 1 month old tune, Cashlands Rhythm. Produced by Cash Libs.
Crazy rhythm. You know, we got people calling from, what do you call it, Germany, but we can't really pick up the phone call at this present moment because we don't have much time.
Cash Lips today.
Check. Oh my. Let me say, yeah. Dino Chema, Pasino Rema, Dino Chema, Pasino Rema, Pasina Kuchemera, Kama Banya Bochatarira, Aticha Tomasiva Ganyuma Sawira, Musarabavana Kunoga Bachashika, the Kubasa Phone Gabachadaira, Zinuzachomai, Babando Zuzarani, Umachandi Batsirantiani, the Fuma Upenuga Simafani, Otinambo Samagushingirira, Namoyacho Yandi Makirira, Ove Kama Mepo Bachindikandira, Abadiku Nandi Budirira, Undino Che.
You know, other people say pull up. You know, I can't pull up. Come on. Yo, Calaz. This one say nice one. Check. Please check a new duka. What if a slogan on the child books right now? I just want to say people, you know what? They don't have much time. It's not much time. It's about 5 minutes before the hours of 9 o'clock. You just log onto the tune code. You know, Chema. I want to just give you a finish about Quatinova. Now, you just say to me, you know, let's just give my fans the last tune before we touch the motorway.
Check. Mboko. Well, you know, somebody, Mr. Calaz said, check. Atipisika. Zakwana jama.
You know, stop it. Tell me what this new slogan now, the other thing they don't be jealous. You know, I was reading into, you know, I'm a man who always want to see people's posts, and I just love the posts. People sending some posts. I saw a post wrote yesterday about the other thing they don't be jealous.
Revise the menace, and the other thing don't be jealous. Check.
That's a new thing now. So right now, Calaz, I can see your folder right now. The catalog is just incredible. The tunes are just crazy. You know, the bag is just full up of tune, lyrics after lyrics, tune after tune. So what can you expect from Calaz in the future? And what is that you want to achieve in the music as an artist?
My fans, I want them to hear my music like on a mature side, you hear me? Esnezi mukadona kana age yacho chiro apfana zvatiri kuimba ndozvikuenderana neage yatiri ndozvikuenderana nenguva iri kuti yatikurarama. Pane pangoti pane mamwe machuni ekuti ukanoimbira kana wapfana unongoita kunge munhu anopenga. Wapfana wanodawo zvekupenga sezvo ndiwo age yacho, but mukukura kwatiri kuitawo toda kuzopedzisira takuroji music yechidhara unoziyawo kana wakura zvinoitika zvega Alfred. Waiziya?
So who do you want to say big up to? Because I understand you got lots of people to big up, and who do you want to say big up to?
Yo, big up my youth static. You're better than the rest. Yo, big up vocal, big up post simple, big up Thai International, mega arts, you bad. Yo, big up you yourself, King Alfred, and all my fans.
And what do you want to say to the Jamrock fans who listen to you now and then? Because right here, Calaz, lock down the place now and then. What do you want to say to your Jamrock fans who listen to you?
Dipeonguva yokuchuna mabanditi, pickpocket kana ve shoplifty, atuna basa kunoroba repejeti.
This one say Calaz adds here, keep us after pain, tune please, keep us after pain.
And the other thing, don't be jealous. Mboko. Well, you know some more, Mr. Calaz say, check. You be that Father Paris, your Kaya. Bless it up. Mancha in the number. And you know it, I will go, huh? Amen, hallelujah, kiddo. You be that bastard, body body slap. Anokara chini dena huyu. Muketa kusakeza huyu. Imirasa mawakandenga. Upayenda kafunza mboko ndiyani ndakavabata pamwe yavakaenda pasayani. Osaka mboko imboko ngawaitiri ikoko. Upayenda kafunza mboko ndiyani ndakavabata pamwe yavakaenda pasayani.
This is Calaz. Let me play this one again. Yo, that should I'm loving this one. I'm loving this one again. Play it again after pin rhythm. And let's it go.
Don't be jealous. Mboko imboko. Well, you know some more, Mr. Calaz said. Chick. You be that Father Paris. Yo, Kaya. Bless it up. Mancha in the number. And you know it, I will go, huh? Amen. Hallelujah, kiddo. You big up bastard body slap. Anokara chini dena huyu. Muketa kusakeza huyu. Imirasa mawakandenga. Upayenda kafunza mboko ndiyani ndakavabata pamwe yavakaenda pasayani. Osaka mboko imboko ngawaitiri ikoko. Upayenda kafunza mboko ndiyani ndakavabata pamwe yavakaenda pasayani. Osaka mboko imboko ngawaitiri ikoko.
And this one says, Calaz up here, please, my tune.
Charitura, ivapa, usanyebe kuti gunodura.
It's a dodo, pick up yourself.
Ariva kuchidura. Well, bandit in the country versatile. One did and Taco say you got practical. Tindaya Chaco just even the basic second now. Tenga my tissue got and then no physical. Upayenda Gavunda Bogondi and the Gavabata Yavaka and the Basayani. Osakambo, Imboko, Gawaiti Rico. Upayenda Gavunda Bogondi and the Gavabata Yavaka and the Basayani. Osakambo, Imboko, Gawaiti Rico. Kuri kumangoma mubanditi ndiri kutapira sengoma tingaende pitingorimo muzvigona ndimo munosimbiswa skiresere ngoma vagara vanangetaura kavasina kuswera urava kumera ngoma vakurichera zindanso kaisi hondo yamuseve vakandikumbura ndotanga zvendewe chamutengure ngauye areurure Urumbakant Umbakandi norovane band Asima fani terarango chant Usawira wenyu uyu Ndebe kungutaimirana Unecha unoda ndopatanga wirirana Iskirire kuyitisana mabanditi Ndisiye Iwe usandibata ukada kungoakira kunozara mavanga Upayenda kapunza mboko ndiyani ndakavabata pamwe yavakaenda pasayani Mboko imboko ngawaitira ikoko Upayenda kapunza mboko ndiyani ndakavabata pamwe yavakaenda pasayani Mboko imboko ngawaitira ikoko.
You have been watching Zimbabwe Entertainment, fresh from the source.